Hello teachers, today I am going to show you how to view, edit and update your profile in school education website for ID card. First, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you can type direct address. If you don't know the address, open Google. Then in Google, type TS School EDU. You will get first website schooledu.telangana.gov.in. Click this website. Now we are on CNDSC website, Government of Telangana. On the menu bar, you will find online services. Click on online services. Then last option is teacher ID card info. Click on this. You will get a new page, that is teachers information system. Here you should enter your mobile number which is registered in teachers info website. I am entering my number. Then next, enter your ID. Then click on submit button. You will get OTP on your mobile number. I have entered the OTP which I have received just now. Then click on submit button. See, here you will get teachers ID card information updation. Here already pre-filled data is there. Check this data like your district, mandal, school UDICE code, name of employee, designation, teacher code, date of birth, phone number, school name, blood group. If blood group is not there, you can update your blood group. Also, you can update your residency address. Then last option is photo upload. This is the 12th column. If it is showing no photo, then click no option. You will get the photo upload option here. Upload the photo. The photo should be in JPEG file. You can select photo from your phone, then click submit. This is the simple procedure by which you can update your information on school education website. Thank you.